Here's the tire that is in question. Obviously you can see that it's flat. I mean, normal tire, flat tire. Now this is a new advancement. There's blue on the sides. You can see how that black out the back. Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and so in today's video, obviously we're gonna be getting the tire on the Camaro fixed, and then we're gonna be figuring out what's happening with the Raptor. So we're gonna do the tire situation first, and then we'll get into the Raptor. Let's just jump right into it. Hey, what's up there? What are you doing? You coming? Yeah? Look at that. Come on. I think he's scared of the camera. Oh, nope, never mind. Look at that. Oh, he's eating the microphone. Again. Rest in peace, microphone. This is not a toy. Hey, sit. You gotta make me look good on camera. Sit. There you go. Good boy. The observant viewer will notice that I'm in the Raptor, and if you're wondering why I'm in the Raptor and we're not in the ZL1 or anything, it's because, well, the Raptor's kind of in the way because the ZL1's in the garage and the Raptor's right here, so we got to move the Raptor to be able to take the ZL1 out, and I guess here's a cold startup on the Raptor. Well, now we have the Raptor out of the way and really where it should be parked. I mean, this is just a logical parking space. Then we can, well, now we can figure out things with the ZL1. So here's the tire that is in question. Obviously, you can see that it's flat. I mean, normal tire, flat tire, and we'll see what PSI it's sitting at now. Before it was at 10, and so, yeah, we'll just turn it on to see exactly where it's sitting at. We have set a new record with this tire. We are now at officially 0 PSI, so yeah, we'll just demist that. Yeah, look, it's fixed now, guys. You just have to press the demist button and it fixes the tire issue. And I'm exactly 1312 with the mileage. So right now it's just filling up, and you guys can hear the compressor too now. So this is going to be the first way we're going to show the PSI, and basically all we have to do is just put it up and try to be as accurate as possible. Oops, that was not good at all. So now you guys can see that it's just right over 30, and the front tires you want to be about 32, and I'll pop in the car and see what those say when we're inside, but yeah, that's roughly what you'd be on the front tires. Oh, I've got the gauge magically pulled up. So you guys can see now everything's in the green. We don't have a tire light or anything anymore. And the left side is 30, and then the other one I pumped up to about 33. So I'm pretty much within range of where it should be with the tire. I am going to just include like pictures that I took over this video where I'm talking about everything that happened, but essentially, and you guys will be able to see this in the photos, there's like two different punctures in the tire itself, and so it looks like something kind of like went into the tire and then right back out, or two different things hit the tire, but more than likely it looks like something came in and then flew back out. Looks like a nail or something went through the tire. Again, you guys can see the pictures, you can kind of see what happened. Pretty crazy, but we've got the tire all sealed up, and the really cool thing is the place I went to, Hillside Tire, they actually did it completely for free. Obviously they could have charged me for repairing the tire, but they didn't. They just did it all for free, so I thought that was really cool, and I didn't expect that. I mean, like, I offered to pay them and everything and they wouldn't take it, so really cool place, and super glad that the tire is finally fixed because yeah, lots of driving happening, lots of speed runs in Mexico and all that, and let's get to the Raptor. What do you want? You ready to go? Man, you got big. Look at you. I guess my fingers taste good this morning. You excited to go on a little road trip? Get our camera fixed today, hopefully. You gonna bark at me? Yep. Okay, let's go. I want to quickly show you guys the setup I've got going on here. So, got his doggy food. We got dry food, and then we've got the treat food, which he's obsessed with. Then we got his water dish. Got a water bottle in here. It's actually in a thermos, so then temperature controlled and all my other stuff. Got our GoPro set up because I'm actually filming a different video for you guys. That's it'll probably drop before this video, so it doesn't matter. And look at this. I fit his cage in here, well, it's kennel. So we got his little blanket in there and everything, and so he's gonna be really comfortable on this trip, and I'm gonna get him used to this because I eventually want to get him used to the point to just going off-roading and all that. And he's even got a little toy for the trip. Well, we got the little guy in there, and you probably can't hear me because he's not too happy right now, but don't worry. He'll get happy in a little bit. It'll just take him a second to get used to it. Uh-huh. Sure. Okay, well, all jokes aside, and wow, that's some real chick music playing right now. But all jokes aside, this is what's happening with the Raptor. Yeah. The camera system does not work at all. And so like what it started out with is it was doing just kind of like bluish on the screen, and then it kind of like faded where it like was completely blue where I couldn't see anything. So like I could still see things at first, then I couldn't see anything, and now I mean it looks like a complete rainbow on my screen. And yeah, I don't know what, but we're gonna get it checked out and see what it is. It might have been something I did, it might be something with the vehicle, I don't know. But let me know if you guys have an issue with this, if you have a 2020 Raptor or 2020 F-150. And yeah, just let me know if you've had this happen with your camera system, because it sucks. Well, now this is a new advancement. There's blue on the sides. You can see how that black out the back. Can't see out there. Well, we've officially made it in one piece, and Zorro, you did pretty good. But now he's freaking out because he knows we're already... I can't even talk. He's going crazy. Hey, you're gonna get out soon, okay? Well, we are finally back from the Ford store, and the truck is over there. And if you're wondering why I'm not standing by the truck, it's kind of getting swarmed by bees, and I also have to get Zorro's cage out of it, so it's not going to be a fun experience. So we're gonna sit here by the ZL1 right now. But regardless, let's actually talk about what happened with the truck. So they inspected it, and basically what they found is that the backup camera just isn't functioning right. There's something wrong with the backup camera. So a backup camera, haha, has been ordered. Now they are in back order with Ford right now, which I mean it kind of makes sense with everything that's happening, and so it's gonna be a while before I get a new backup camera. Now thank goodness the camera's like kind of working right now. It's still kind of like it's like weird blue on the sides, and you guys saw that earlier, but other than that, I mean it's working okay. It's just not working like what it should be. And yeah, but Ford and Provo has hooked me up. And by the way, I know I say this to you guys a ton in a bunch of videos, but like I cannot like stress this enough. Ford and Provo is such a good dealership, not only from like the sales aspect, but from the service aspect as well. And I hope that it shows to you guys like how much I appreciate them, because where I live, I literally am closer to about 6. I have 6 Ford dealerships that are closer to me than them, but I still go to them because they always take care of me. Obviously on the sales side of things with the new cars, because I mean, they hooked me up with the Raptor, hooked me up with the ZL1, and also on the service side of things, they always take care of things. So yeah, if you live in Utah or the surrounding states, or anywhere really, and you want to buy a truck from them or anything from them, do it. But then also, if you're close by, I would recommend servicing with them because they just always do a good job and they take care of things. That is going to sum things up for today's video, and I want you guys to leave in the comment section below which video you'd rather see sooner. So would you guys rather see a Raptor update video, or would you rather me make the video about the 5 things that I hate and the 5 things that I love about the ZL1 first? So again, leave that in the comment section below. By the way, the Raptor's at just over 8,000 miles, and obviously I've never done a video on like the features that I love and hate in this car. So let me know about that in the comment section below. As always, if you're stopping for the first time, please subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next video. was oh, that was really fast. Oh my god. That is the fastest I've ever been in my life.